Good evening. Tonight, let's travel to the dark, peaceful waters of the Nagara River. For over 1,000 years, fishermen have guided their wooden boats through the summer night, led only by the glow of fire. Our first word means river.
Kawa, Kawa.
Let's hear it in a sentence.
暗い川を船が進みます。
Suspended from the front of the boat is an iron basket holding a blazing wood fire. Our next word means fishing bonfire.
かがり火、かがり火。
Listen to it in a sentence.
かがり火が水面を照らします。
The master fisherman, dressed in traditional straw garments, gently handles the tether lines of his skilled seabirds. Our next word means bird.
鳥、鳥。
Here it is in a sentence.
鳥は水に潜ります。
Working together in perfect rhythm, the fisherman and his birds catch sweetfish drawn to the light. The word for fish is
魚、魚。
Let's hear it in a sentence.
魚が光に集まります。
As the boats glide silently past the mountain shores, a deep sense of calm settles over the valley. Our final word means quiet.
静か、静か。
One more time in a sentence.
夜はとても静かです。
Like the steady flow of the Nagara River, let your thoughts drift away. Rest well and sweet dreams.
おやすみなさい。